never cared for our mistakes. We're laying at our feet, but suddenly you hit the brake. Little did I know you made up your mind. Tell me, where was I when you decided we should be friends? Did you really just leave me behind? You came out of the blue. I think we were through, boy. If you don't need me, why would I need you? Oh, what did I do? Don't worry, it's a cool boy. I'm better off and better off without you. Guess I should've known you were too good to be true. When I said I loved you more, we both knew it was the bitter truth. You came out of the blue. I think we were through, boy. If you don't need me, why would I need you? Oh, what did I do? Don't worry, it's a cool boy. I'm better off and better off without. We were just meant to have fun. We were never meant to last. That's why you came out of the blue. I say we were through, boy. If you don't need me, why would I need you? Oh, what did I do? Don't worry, it's a cool boy. I'm better off and better off without. You came out of the blue. I say we were through, boy. If you don't need me, why would I need you? Oh, what did I do? Don't worry, it's a cool boy. I'm better off and better off, so much better off without you.
Hey, hello everyone. I just wanted to give a quick update on what I've been working on. The little Robin you saw me painting today was made on commission for the band Stevie Mae Robin, the band you could hear throughout the video today. They're a really great band, and I've left some links to all their social medias and music in the description down below so you guys can check them out. But yeah, I just sat down with the band and I created a whole bunch of stuff for them. If you go to the links, you can see all the things I made for them. Like this cute little Robin is their logo, but I also made their band name and some different things. Like if you go to their Spotify to listen to their very first single, Out of the Blue, you also see this little feather that I made. Well, a whole bunch of stuff. The bottom line is, if you are in a band and you would like me to make logos and stuff like that, you can always contact me and we can make a deal. But also if you just would like a painting for your living room or whatever. So go and give Stevie Mae Robin a listen. Subscribe to my channel if you like art videos and stuff like that. I'm also going to be uploading tutorials in the near future. And I hope to see you in the next video really, really soon. Bye bye.